Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya loved to ponder deep questions and explore the mysteries of life. One day, she stumbled upon a book filled with the wisdom of a great philosopher named René Descartes. As she read Descartes' words, one phrase caught her attention: "I think, therefore I am." Maya was puzzled. What does this mean, she wondered. Seeking answers, she decided to consult an elderly professor known for his knowledge of philosophy. Maya found the professor in his study, surrounded by books. Excitedly, she asked, "Professor, can you explain to me what Descartes meant by, 'I think, therefore I am'?" The professor smiled kindly and said, "Certainly, Maya." Descartes was a philosopher who sought to find a solid foundation for knowledge. He wanted to discover something undeniable, a truth upon which he could build his understanding of the world. He continued, "When Descartes said, 'I think, therefore I am,' he meant that our ability to think, to have thoughts and doubts, proves our very existence. If we are capable of questioning, pondering, and being aware of our own thoughts, then it means we must exist as thinking beings." Maya's eyes widened with understanding. "So, by having thoughts, I can be sure that I exist?" The professor nodded. "Exactly, Maya." Descartes argued that even if everything else in the world were an illusion, the fact that we are conscious beings, capable of thinking, provides undeniable proof of our own existence. Maya felt a sense of wonder and empowerment. She realized that her thoughts were a profound expression of her being. From that day forward, Maya embraced the power of her thoughts, recognizing that they were a reflection of her own existence. Armed with this newfound understanding, Maya approached life with a greater sense of purpose. She recognized the significance of her thoughts, knowing that they were not merely fleeting ideas, but a testament to her very being. With Descartes' lesson, Maya embarked on a journey of self-discovery, using her thoughts to shape her reality and navigate the world with confidence and clarity.